In this demo, I'll walk you through how our AI-powered lead generation chatbot engages with potential clients specifically tailored for personal injury lawyers. The chatbot says, "Hello, I'm Ava from Lexora Legal Advisory. How can I help you?" And I'm going to type, "I was in a car accident. Can you help?" The chatbot says, "I'm sorry to hear about your accident. I can certainly help you with that. Can you briefly describe the details of the accident, such as the date and location, and whether you received any medical treatment?" I'm going to say, "A truck ran a red light and hit me in Jersey City, New Jersey. I'm in the hospital now. I have two broken legs." The chatbot is then going to respond and say, "I'm really sorry to hear about your injuries. It sounds like a serious situation. We can help you with your case regarding the accident. Your initial consultation is completely free, and an attorney will evaluate your case during that time. Would you like to schedule a consultation to discuss this further?" And I'm going to hit schedule an appointment. The AI bot says, "Please provide your full name." I'm going to say John Smith. The bot then says, "Thanks, John Smith. What's your email?" And I'm going to say johnsmith@gmail.com. Great. Just need your phone number to confirm your appointment. The bot is now checking the calendar and providing available slots. April 11th, 9 a.m., 9:15 a.m., 9:30 a.m., 9:45 a.m. Do any of these slots work for you? And I'm going to select yes. Which slot would work for you? And I'm going to say 9:30 a.m. The bot comes back with the confirmed set slot with April 11th, 9:30 a.m., John Smith, johnsmith@gmail.com. Are these details correct? Yes. The bot then says your appointment has been successfully scheduled. And this is the end of this chat. At this point, the visitor will get an email confirmation for the calendar to be able to put into their calendar. And the client, Lexora Legal Advisory, receives both a calendar message to set up in their calendar, as well as a summary email stating what the issue was and the sentiment analysis of the client. Thank you for watching.